Welcome to Business Connection. I'm Liz Spencer. We have a great guy in studio. It's Jeff Cole, and he's the owner of Solutions Laser Studio. Now, Jeff, tell me, you say solutions, so tell me what solutions you're offering.
The solutions we are offering are tattoo removal, skin resurfacing, and hair removal.
Wow. Now, tell me a little bit about the tattoo removal, because we think about tattoo removal like we don't want that anymore. You know, it's going to be easy, and it's much more involved. And you start with the doctor's visit. Why is that?
Starting with the doctor's visit is very important because it is a lot more involved than people think. There's a lot that goes into tattoo removal. The reason you start with seeing a doctor is just to see if you're a correct candidate, because some people have skin issues that we may not be able to treat, or there are certain inks that we cannot treat, for example, cosmetic inks. So seeing a doctor to kind of understand the risks of getting tattoo removal is very important, and we do not want to do a disservice to our patients by not letting them see a doctor first.
So after that doctor visit, tattoo removal has improved over the years, and you've brought the latest technology. So tell me a little bit about that.
Technology advances every year. Mm-hmm. I mean, by the time you get a new computer, it's already outdated. So we have brought the latest technology, the PicoSure, for tattoo removal and skin resurfacing. Right now it runs on a picosecond laser. It's a lot faster, a lot safer, and gets things done a lot quicker.
And what does the quickness do?
The quickness, the way the tattoo removal works is it breaks down the ink, and your immune system flushes the ink out. So for allowing you to have a quicker service allows less pain.
Because it's a painful process.
It is very painful. I've been through it, so it is very painful, yes.
And how many sessions, on average, does somebody have to go through? And it varies from everybody, so we're going to give that disclaimer right away, that it just varies from, but just to get people an idea of what the process is.
It varies from everybody, anywhere from 2 sessions to 10, but on average you're looking about 6 to 8 sessions. And who comes in for a tattoo removal? What's the age bracket? Age bracket is anywhere from 18 to beyond. A lot of patients are people that want to remove tattoos to get more, and then some they just want them gone. So it varies from clients and different ages and what they want. Some just want to lighten it up just to get a cover up. So
it's amazing, but the statistic out there is like 1 in 4 people have a tattoo. So
right. It's pretty big.
It's pretty big. They're here to stay. And another thing that goes right along, and that's why I like the name of your company, Solutions, because you do tattoo removals, but that same philosophy can be applied for other skin problems and skin needs.
We also offer skin resurfacing, which is wrinkles, acne, scarring, pigmentations, sunspots. A lot of people want to take care of that without doing an invasive procedure. Or Botox. So for wrinkles, what the PicoSure does with this focused laser is it produces more collagen and fills out those voids in your skin. So,
but it's not instant.
It is not instant. It takes time for all these processes to work. It takes quite a few weeks and a few treatments as well to make this work. It's not instant gratification. It takes a lot of time and a lot of effort.
Well, and I think people just assume, and we talked about it often, there's like some magic eraser. They'll take off the tattoos and the wrinkles, and you come out perfect.
No, it's not like that. You go in, you get a treatment, and it's about 4 to 5 weeks before you see any sort of change. So it takes time for your body to break this down and to use what you have in your body to do it properly in the right way.
Right, and with the acne scarring, I would imagine that the lasers are quite helpful for that, because sometimes it can be severe and impact self-esteem and all of that.
Right, it does help. There are some acne scars that are so deep that we just can't fix, but it does help with confidence and fixing those issues for people, because sometimes people just don't like them.
Right. Well, and it's out of their control a lot of times. Right. So that's one of those areas of you wish you could fix a little bit what nature did to you. So yeah, where the tattoo, you did that yourself. You're making that decision. Right. And then with the same thing with the sunspots and that kind of pigmentation type issues.
Right. The sunspots, it takes a few sessions, takes time to do. And the pigmentations, the hyper and hypopigmentations, we can help fix. Sometimes it's so severe that we can't fix it, but the things we can fix, it turns out nice for the patient.
That is, and that's a nice service. And I know you're like, these things we can't fix, but there's a large majority of the things that you do fix and do make much better with this advanced technology that is amazing, with a little patience where you can get.
Right, exactly. If you have a little bit of patience, it can go a long way, but it's not instant gratification. It does take time to do something proper and to do something right.
And tell me a little bit now, one of the other services you offer is the hair removal?
Yep, we also offer laser hair removal. And the way that works is the laser beam will hit the melanin and kill the hair follicle. And the energy from the light goes towards the follicle and kills it for a long period of time. And that is also something that takes a little bit more time. It takes like 5 or 6 treatments? Yeah, you're looking at about 5 or 6 treatments because hair grows in cycles, and every 4 or 5 weeks the next hair cycle grows. Okay. So going from there, you got to go back and you have to get your next cycle.
So how does somebody contact the Solutions Laser Center, and how do we get involved, or how do we see a doctor and do all that good stuff to
you can email us. Our email is on our website, which is solutionslaserstudio.com. Or you can give us a call. Our phone number is also on our website. And
that starts with, if I'm just thinking about, because these things are not instant decisions. Lots of times we've internalized the tattoo or the wrinkles. So can I come in for a consultation?
Yes, you come in for a free consultation, and the doctor will talk to you and talk about the procedure and let you know how it goes and make sure you're the right candidate for that procedure. Because sometimes you just might not be. So.
Right, and lots of times I think a consultation helps them learn a little bit more, because I don't think people necessarily do all their homework.
Right, correct. It takes a long time to understand how this process works, and I think the doctor really helps the patient understand how it works.
And I agree, and I think that the doctor adds that extra layer of protection.
Correct.
Because, we often worry about the safety of this, but with the advancement in technology.
Correct. There are risks in everything you do, but this is a laser, so it is a big risk. And the doctor being there, making sure the patient is taken care of and they're the right candidate for this procedure, and just kind of explaining things and educating them on how this process works.
Well, Jeff, I think you've got a great business going with a lot of help that you started off with a consultation and a doctor, and can help us fix a few things that maybe we hadn't thought about sooner. So, Jeff, thanks for stopping by.
Thank you so much.
We're going to be right back with more Business Connections. Stay tuned.